I'm going to do a video on a toolbox that I just got for field service. I think it's an ingenious design for field service. It doesn't cater to everyone. People that like to work out of a bag at ground level, this probably doesn't cater to you. But at work, I have a roll around with multiple drawers, and this is about the closest that I could get to that type of layout in the field. And let me show you how this thing works. You squeeze the handle, and the whole thing lunges forward. You actually also have a little more space in the front of it. It's not organized, but we'll get there eventually. Close it up, pull the handle, and it lunges forward again. Lunges back, I mean. The problem with this design was I went to a location that had a lot of staircases, and dragging this up a staircase is just a good way to throw your back out. There's just no other way around it. What I ended up doing was this. I ran a strap through the handle, you see, and attached it on the bottom half of the frame or the wheels. Now, the reason this is going to work is because of the simple fact, if the handle itself fails in this configuration, it would have failed being drug up a staircase. And I've used it multiple occasions, and it seems to be holding up just fine. It's anybody that is interested in proper lifting posture, you'll know what this means. And I'm going to show you another video as I have it strapped on my back to show you how I load and unload it.